Today we are replacing one of the infamous 15-inch MacBook Pro batteries. First, some context. In 2019, Apple issued a recall on 15-inch MacBook Pro models sold between 2015 and 2017 due to reports of the batteries overheating. Some could even catch fire. Apple offered to replace the batteries for free, but unfortunately, not all MacBook Pros in this time frame were covered. Which brings us to this device. This is a 2015 15-inch MacBook Pro. As you can see, it isn't sitting level on this flat desk. That's because the batteries have swollen. Normally, a bit of gas is produced when the battery charges and discharges voltage. If the regulatory system managing the charging and discharging in the battery fails, this flammable gas can build up, inflating the battery. These batteries can be dangerous, so we don't advise you try this yourself. With our safety gear on, we pop open the back of the MacBook to take out the battery. That sound is the screw popping out from the strain of the swollen battery. With the back of the chassis removed, you can see how the batteries have ballooned. We pry the battery connector out of its socket and then inject an alcohol solution under the batteries to help separate them from the adhesive holding them in place. With the batteries removed, we're halfway done. We clean out the adhesive residue and then set about installing the replacement batteries. We re-establish the connection between the battery and the board, and then apply a sticker to hold the connector in place. With that, the computer is up and running once again. Hopefully your computer's batteries aren't as bad as those, but if you are in the market for a new Mac, head over to techible.com. Our goal is to provide a transparent marketplace to research, buy, and sell Macs. We have refurbished MacBook Pros and MacBook Airs, all at an affordable price. Thank you for watching. Be sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe while you're down there. Stay informed out there, folks. We'll see you next time.